it's Jen and Tammy back with another Notion video. As usual, you know Tammy's always in pursuit of the next best Notion.
Always.
And she found it.
Oh, I did.
Take it away.
I found a good one.
Tell us about it.
This clever tool is by Press Perfect. And we have done their hot ruler. So it's by the same gal that invented the hot ruler. She has invented a point-to-point turner tool.
And this is by Clover.
Yes,
Clover's
this is by Clover's
it?
manufacturing this. Yes, okay. So see how it's got the scalloped edge here and it's a thin flat blade. All right, this is perfect for pressing your seams, finger pressing. So you open this up. Look how quick that pressed this.
Holy cow.
Isn't that amazing?
Let me
this
try this.
This thing's cool. You try one.
That's amazing. I've always thought of this as primarily, you know, turning
Poking
something
and turning
through.
something. No, that flat spatula side of that, it just goes right on that seam.
Here, like this?
Yeah, just like that.
I love the way it fits in my hand.
It does fit in your hand nice,
Do you
doesn't
see
it?
this?
Yeah.
It's just like...
It's nice. Look how beautiful that is. You don't even need to iron that. You see how it stays open perfectly? Well, you don't even need to iron it.
And you and I both know at retreat, where there's limited irons,
yes,
you know, you
it's
sometimes
hard
can't
to
get there,
Yeah.
or you have to wait.
Yeah.
This gets it going.
This gets you going.
So you can keep going
Absolutely.
with putting your block together.
Absolutely.
So
Isn't
that's
that clever. So that's this side.
That's
okay.
Look how flat that is.
The other thing that we've been using it for is our table glitz series, where we're turning large items.
Yep.
You're turning big items. It's like, oh, I need a much bigger tool to get up in there. Well, this rounded thing is amazing. When I turn this, you will see that it's all just a big mess, right?
Yes, it always is.
This takes forever to work out. I'm going to use this portion of it, this rounded portion right here, and I just set this up into those petals. Look how quickly this will work. Isn't that amazing?
Well, because it's kind of fared. See how it doesn't have like a blunt? It's not like this.
It's not a blunt.
It kind of comes like this.
It comes to a point. Isn't that cool? And that quickly I can turn that. And now this is ready to press and make into our flower.
Fantastic.
Isn't that clever? A lot of people like a Hera marker, like if they're doing patterns, garment sewing. This is a Hera marker as well, and it will mark on your fabric.
Oh.
You see this? I can mark lines on this fabric. So it's also a Hera marker. This is just, you need this. You're going to use this many times over and over. Agree.
I totally am so happy that you introduced us to that because it's so practical.
It's very practical.
So once again, thank you, Tammy.
You're welcome.
I can't wait to see what the next notion is that you come up with.
It'll be great. I know.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Does she go with me?
No, I didn't go with you. Quarter stout.
That's an incredible tool.
It truly is. I love this thing.
I've never seen one that well, it's because of the way it fares in like that.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
It's just,
it's like a rudder on an airplane.
A rudder on a plane.
Okay, this is
It's
me
a
flying.
plane. It's me flying. Here's my
Fuselage
rudder.
Wings.